Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen, which will bring down your toggles, and here you can already see power saving mode, the battery with a little leaf inside. If you swipe down, you can also see the names for it. Just simply tap on it to enable your power saving mode and you're good to go. Now, as you can see, it enables dark mode and does a couple other things in the background. But once you're done using it, you can just find this toggle once more, tap on it, and obviously this will turn it off and revert all the changes that happened. So, and that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.